This thing transmits to 2 Bluetooth speakers simultaneously. 2! Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. As always, honest reviews. If you want to become a patron, please become a patron. It'd be much appreciated. Let's get to the review. Okay guys, I have a wireless Bluetooth transmitter, version 5.0. This thing is freaking amazing. I'm so happy or excited about this product. I'm stumbling over my own words. It's optical. You have analog out of your TV to input, 3.5 millimeter. Okay? Has optical in, so from your TV optical to this device, which I'm going to show you. This is it. This is the freaking thing. Okay, it has 2 antennas on it. This is the USB. All right. This thing is freaking amazing. You just heard some stuff talking because I just connected it and the thing and it's because I already paired it up. You're gonna be blown away. This thing transmits to 2 Bluetooth speakers simultaneously. 2. So this is perfect if you have like a outdoor movie theater and you want to have just a channel behind the screen, and it may not be loud enough or strong enough. You don't want to make it too loud where it disturbs the neighbors. You can have a second one behind the people or next to the people or whatever you want, so the sound is surrounded. It has a Bluetooth 1 button here and a Bluetooth 2. And simply, this is how easy it is. It's so stupid easy. I just couldn't believe, like, how is this device going to see this device? Because I have these treble amp speakers here. I have a link right here for you to check out these speakers. These are treble amp speakers, all right? And they're independent. There are 2 of them. And I have it paired to this one device. It's pretty sick. So when you turn this thing, when you turn on the Bluetooth speaker, it should automatically be in pairing mode. Most of them are. Then you press the button here. The speaker cannot be already paired to something. It must be ready to go to pair to something. This will find it and connect to it. It's pretty sick. Nothing, no user intervention required. You don't have to have your cell phone connect to an application to do this. Nothing. Turn the speaker on. It's in pairing mode. You press Bluetooth number 1. That's done. You turn on the next speaker if you want to use another Bluetooth speaker. Here it is. Then you turn that on and then you press Bluetooth number 2. It'll pair. So what I did was, my Note 9 actually has an audio output on this, okay? Now we're going to do a range test. All right, so this is the setup. We have the cell phone connected to the Bluetooth transmitter, and we have this speaker connected to this. All right, as we'll hear it. Twitter and Instagram. Okay. And today we're going to be checking out this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a range test. We're going to walk out of here. I'm going to go into the backyard to my tiki bar, and we'll see if it still works. So I'm going to leave this. I'm going to hit play. I'm going to see how far it is. It says it can do about 197 feet. We're not going to be that far, but if it works, I'm going to be quite impressed. So let's go check this out. So hit play. Buds, very similar to the Apple AirPods, except black. So these are wannabes. Let's go outside with this thing. Quick unboxing and demonstration of this. Good fit, and they're charging 100%. All right. To charge them, the cover needs to be closed. If you press the left side, that's not too bad. 2 times quickly, it lowers. Now we're going through the house, and we're outside now. Now I want to see how loud they go, without me going deaf. That's pretty impressive. Oh. Let's go back inside. That's super awesome. So this is pretty sick. I'm very impressed. So we take the audio output of this and we plug it into the Bluetooth transmitter, okay? We take the power. It does come with an AC adapter and the cool power cable, by the way. You plug it into the device. Now you may hear it connect.
Maximum volume.
So you may actually hear it connect. So this will be great if you can.
Connected.
There you go.
Connected.
There we go. So both of these are connected to this. Okay, now we're going to play one of my videos. Okay, I'm going to lower this down.
Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on
So,
Facebook,
this
Twitter,
one's
and
only.
Instagram. And today, folks, we're going to be talking about a Coronas True Image.
Gonna lower this one down
21.
and power this one up. Oh, no, power it up.
98% of the people out there are going to want
Maximum volume.
2% says, I already got it back up. I'm fine. I can restore with no problem. I don't think you could do it this way. This is
Both of these,
the best program, hands down.
Both of them are working.
For new features,
it's amazing.
That'll knock your socks off. All right. This has the ability to back up.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I didn't think this thing would actually work. So this can actually transmit to 2 speakers simultaneously, both at the same time. You can have this up at the front. You can have this in the back, wherever you want to put it. This is like perfect for surround sound. If you have surround sound speakers that you want to, it's just, I'm impressed with the technology. I'm very, very impressed with this technology. I can't believe it works as well as it does, to be honest with you. The company is one me. Now I'm going to prove to you that it's actually going to the speaker. It's going to the device. This is not it. Ready? Watch.
I think you should either...
It's off. And it stopped playing. Oh, this. We'll plug this back in again. And hit play.
Advanced.
There we go.
Premium. Again, the link.
This is a must-have. If you need if you need a Bluetooth transmitter, this is a must-have device. I'm very impressed. It even has volume control on here too. I'm giving this to JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. I'm very impressed. I can't believe it can do 2 at once. This is the first thing that first time I've actually tested something like this, and this is great. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this baby. This is definitely worth it. It does what it's supposed to do. It's amazing. Take care, and we'll see you next time.